Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Ben, today we're talking about goals and dreams. Why do you think this topic is important?
Because goals and dreams give us direction in life. They help us know where we're going.
Exactly. Vocabulary, goal, means something you want to achieve, usually step by step. Dream is something bigger, something you hope for in the future.
Yes, for example, a goal might be, I want to study English 20 minutes every day. A dream might be, one day I want to live in another country.
Ben, do you have short-term goals?
Yes, a short-term goal is something you want soon, maybe this week or this month. My short-term goal is to read one English book this month.
That's a good one. My short-term goal is to wake up earlier, around 6:30 every morning.
And long-term goals?
A long-term goal is something in the future, maybe 1 year or 5 years. My long-term goal is to speak Spanish fluently.
My long-term goal is to write a book.
Let's share some useful vocabulary. Achieve means to succeed in reaching a goal. Plan means steps you make to do something. Motivation is the reason why you keep going. Challenge is something difficult that you must face. Success is when you reach your goal. Failure is when you don't reach your goal, but you can try again.
Great list. Example sentences. I want to achieve my dream of becoming a teacher. Her plan is to study every evening. He has strong motivation to learn English.
Ben, what's one of your biggest dreams?
I dream of traveling around the world. I want to see Asia, Africa, Europe, everywhere.
That's exciting. My dream is to open a small café one day, a cozy place where people can drink coffee, read books, and talk.
That sounds wonderful. See, dreams can be personal and unique for each person.
So, how can our listeners talk about their goals in English?
They can start with, my goal is to, I want to, I'd like to, in the future I hope to.
Examples: my goal is to pass the English exam. I want to learn how to play guitar. I'd like to get a good job. In the future, I hope to buy a house.
Listeners, repeat after us. My goal is to, I want to, I'd like to, in the future I hope to.
Ben, do you think it's always easy to reach your goals?
No, of course not. There are always challenges. For example, when I try to write every day, sometimes I feel tired or busy.
Yes, I understand. When I study a new language, sometimes I lose motivation.
But we can stay motivated by making small steps. For example, just 10 minutes of practice every day.
And celebrating small successes, like finishing one chapter of a book or learning 10 new words.
Sometimes people feel their dreams are too big. What would you say to them?
I'd say don't be afraid. Dreams can be big, but you can take small steps. For example, if your dream is to be a doctor, your first step is to study hard in school.
Yes, and if your dream is to travel, your first step might be to save a little money each month.
Vocabulary, step by step, means little by little, not all at once.
Many famous people started with small goals.
Yes, for example, athletes train every day before they win a big game.
Writers write many small stories before publishing a book.
Language learners practice every day before speaking fluently. How do you feel when you think about your dreams?
I feel excited and hopeful.
I feel motivated and inspired.
Vocabulary: inspired means you feel full of ideas and energy because of your dream.
Exactly. Today, we learned words like achieve, plan, motivation, challenge, success, failure, step by step, inspired.
And phrases like, my goal is to, I want to, in the future I hope to, step by step. If you liked this episode, please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next one.
And give this video a like. It really helps us make more lessons for you.
Thank you for listening, everyone.
Take care, keep practicing English, and goodbye.
Goodbye.